Introducing ApexMaker 1, the innovative 16-inch 8K large-scale LCD 3D printer helps you break the boundaries of imagination. With its enormous build volume, the ApexMaker surpasses other normal LCD 3D printers on the market. The 16-inch high-transparency LCD screen provides a larger visual printing area, expanding your printing capabilities to the size of physical models. The combination of 8K resolution and the built-in optical engine delivers precise application layout of light structures and principles, resulting in a remarkable improvement in printing accuracy and quality. This advanced technology also helps save time when producing large-scale models, making it effortless for you to create intricate components and models. The ChituBox Pro slicing software simplifies and enhances the printing and slicing process like never before. Permanently leveled platform eliminates the hassle of manual leveling. With the auto refill and retrieval system, providing you with optimal efficiency and resource utilization. This user-friendly interface enhances your printing experience by providing seamless control and effortless navigation. The built-in HD camera enables remote monitoring through a mobile app. Powerful and easy to use, the ApexMaker is currently the most cost-effective large-scale LCD 3D printer, offering high precision and exceptional detail representation, making your final creations more refined. The air purification system effortlessly filters resin odors, creating a fresher printing environment. ApexMaker allows you to achieve high precision and large-scale printing with peace of mind, while also catering to a wide range of industry applications. ApexMaker, the 16-inch 8K large-scale LCD 3D printer, helps you unlock greater printing potential and explore endless new possibilities. Think big, print bold.